Hello everyone, welcome back to Techsolve. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your personal folder or file using command option. And also, it doesn't need any software or Windows hidden option. For hide any folder, normally people use this technique. Right click on folder and go to properties. Check the hidden option and click on apply. Click on OK. But this technique is not 100% safe. Because if anyone check the hidden items option, then your folder will be appear and they can access your personal data. Now I'm going to show how to use command option for hide your personal folder, and it's 100% safe. Now click on the location bar and type cmd and press enter. Now type attrib space +h space +s space +r space your exact folder name. I will give you the code in the description box. And also, you must remember your folder name. If you forget your folder name, then your data will be lost permanently. Now press enter and your folder will disappear. Now if anyone check the hidden items option, they don't find anything. Now the question is how to open your personal folder. Do the same thing. Click on the location bar and type cmd and press enter. Now type attrib space -h space -s space -r space your exact folder name and press enter and your folder will be appear. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please like it and share this video with your friends. And yes, if you have any question, put this in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks.